Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you from where you can go ahead and make the change of your entry into store document regarding purchase documents. So on TranZact we do have a functionality of inward and as well as GRM. In industry we have seen that multiple people take the inventory entry on inward document and also they take it on GRN in the term of rejection and acceptance. So on TranZact we do have both features how you can manage it. So first of all you need to go in settings module, click on all modules, click on settings. Now once you will come in setting module, on your left hand side please have a look, you will get an option of inventory. Click on this. Now next option is entry into store document. So once I will click it here, please check there are two options, inward document and GRN. I can quickly just go ahead and make the selection that it should get updated on GRN or it should get updated on inward document. So suppose if my acceptance of document is done after some of the testing, so in that case I will keep it on GRN. If it is just getting updated in my inventory with the help of inward document, then in that case the inward document need to be selected. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and manage your stored entry document for purchase. Have a good day ahead.